Hi everyone, welcome to 112th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Pritha from Mass Communication and Journalism Department, Siliguri, second semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Souvik Udyog, Siliguri, school and college uniform providers since 1995. The headlines this week. College community mourns death of the senior security guard. University examination to end on 21st July. Tree planting marks World Environment Day. 2 faculty members participate in UNICEF Workshop. 10 presenters at 10th edition of Elite Talk. Entrepreneurship Development Cell holds gratitude. The news in detail. Siliguri. College community mourns death of the senior security guard. Tissa of Mass Communication second semester reports.
College community mourned the sudden death of Mr. Narayan Chandra Saha, longest serving security guard at Siliguri campus. Mr. Saha joined security duty in 2012 and was 70 years old when he died. Affectionately called Kaku, Uncle Mr. Saha did his full day duty at the main gate and returned home in toto. He died at night on Thursday, 8th June. On 9th morning, as news of Kaku's death spread in the campus, college management declared a day of mourning and held separate memorial services for each of the 3 deaneries. Faculty members made a voluntary collection which the management matched with an equal amount. By noon, a delegation visited Kaku's home to express condolences and offer prayers and handed over the amount to his son.
Tissa reporting.
Attention everyone! Are you tired of being stuck in traffic or dealing with the hassle of finding parking near campus? Well, the solution is simple. Walk to campus. The Walk to Campus campaign by Salesian College Siliguri encourages students, faculty and staff to get some exercise and fresh air by choosing to walk instead of drive to campus. Walking not only benefits your physical health but also reduces traffic congestion and helps the environment by decreasing carbon emissions. So lace up your sneakers, grab a friend and let's step up and make a positive change today. An initiative by Salesian College and Radio Salesian 90.8 FM.
Siliguri. University examination to end on 21st July. Aman of Mass Communication second semester reports.
University of North Bengal semester end examination started on 14 June will end on 21st July 2023. Examinations for 4th semester students which started on 14 June is scheduled to end on 4th July. 6th semester students will start their examinations from 24th June and end on 12th July. The 2nd semester students are scheduled to start university examinations from 11 July to 21st July.
Aman reporting. Siliguri. Tree planting marks World Environment Day. Sourangsho Chowdhury of Mass Communication second semester reports.
The Salesian College National Service Scheme Unit in collaboration with the Departments of Sociology and Social Work made a tree plantation drive on 5th June 2023 to mark the World Environment Day. The event started with an invocation by Principal Father Babu Joseph and introduction by Lovelin Bara, NSS President from School of Sciences. Shri Panna Kale from Social Work led the pledge taking. Guest of honor Shri Sham Prasad Chakladar explained how compositing was done for making planting fertilizers. Students then carried saplings for planting in various parts of the 20-acre college campus. After a short break, students participated in the rally organized by the Save Earth NGO. The rally started from Airview Hotel and ended at Bagajuddin Park with everyone enthusiastically cheering slogans against plastic use.
Sourangsho Chowdhury reporting. Siliguri. 2 faculty members participate in UNICEF Workshop. Yobina Gurung of Mass Communication second semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri faculty members attended UNICEF Workshop on social behavior change held in partnership with Assam Don Bosco University, Guwahati. the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF, was started in 1950 to address the long-term needs of children and women in developing countries. UNICEF, Northeast Social Behavior Change Secretariat, organized the 3-day workshop at Shillong Transformational Leadership Resource Center at Barapani Lake near Shillong from 1st to 3rd June 2023. The workshop was for the integration of communication for social and behavior change models into the curriculum of universities of 8 northeastern states of India. The workshop was attended by 35 faculty members from reputed universities in Northeast and West Bengal. The only participants from Bengal were from Salesian College, Siliguri, Assistant Professor Rini Badra of Social Work Department and Assistant Professor Navnita Subba of Mass Communication and Journalism Department, and Varun Roy, Chairperson, Board of Undergraduate Studies, Department of Mass Communication, University of North Bengal. The workshop ended with the participants writing an action plan for the implementation of the CSBC modules in the universities and colleges according to their need and resources.
Yobina Gurung reporting. Siliguri, 10 presenters at 10th edition of Elite Talk. Pragya Adhikari of Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
The School of Literature, Media and Polity organized the 10th edition of Elite Talk on 5th June 2023. Tissa Sen of Mass Communication 2nd semester was the anchor, while Father C.M. Paul, Vice Principal of Sciences, gave the invocation and overview of the event. There were 10 participants from all 3 deaneries, while Pranisha Ranudam, Department of Physics, spoke on impact of music. Purbali Paul of English Department shared on physical health and well-being. Shruti Giri, Department of History, spoke on Do What You Love, and Shaina Begum of Commerce Department spoke on normalizing menstruation. The topic of History Department's Vinesh Parajuli was becoming mentally strong, and Nick Risaili of Mass Communication and Journalism spoke on anger management. Commerce Department's Pipin Rice's topic was degradation of fashion in current generation, and BBA Department's Sneha Surana spoke on my experience. Joyce Adlin Kemp of Sociology's topic was determination, and Aaron Rafael Mokhtan of Mass Communication and Journalism Department shared on immovable faith in God. Sneha Surana, who spoke on my experience, was awarded as the best speaker of the day. The event concluded with a vote of thanks by Assistant Professor of English Department, Mr. Pema Galshin Tamang.
Pragya Adhikari reporting. Siliguri, Entrepreneurship Development Cell holds Gratitude Day. Nandini Tripathi of BCom 4th semester reports.
The Gratitude Day program for Entrepreneurship Development Cell started with welcome and words of appreciation by animator, Assistant Professor Mrs. Priyanka Shaw. The fun segment in the event consisted of dance, songs, along with a few exciting games. In the most anticipated part of the event, the members were awarded Letter of Recommendation for outstanding performance in the cell by EDC animators Mr. Chandan Gupta and Mrs. Priyanka Shaw. After the cake cutting ceremony, each graduating member shared his or her learning experience in the cell along with recommendations for the juniors. The event was concluded with a vote of thanks by the Secretary of the cell, Sakshi Agarwal.
Nandini Tripathi reporting. This show was brought to you by Souvik Udyog Siliguri, the school and college uniform providers since 1995. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.